We're going to take out this man with the guitar from this beach scene. First of all, we need to select him. Go to the magic wand tool and choose the object selection tool. As we move it over the image, the people are highlighted. Click on the man to select him, and you'll notice his guitar is not selected, so click on that as well, holding the Shift key down, and that will add it to the selection. It's not perfect, so let's now switch to the lasso tool. Let's zoom in on the scene. Holding the Shift key with the lasso tool, we can now loop around these unselected areas, add in this bit of his knee, all the way around the woman's knee, and we can get the bottom of his leg. And now let's just loop around and take in those stray pixels. And let's zoom out. Click the Generative Fill button, and in the prompt we won't type anything, we just want him removed. Tap the Generate button. And it takes a few seconds for this to happen. Here are 3 versions, all with the background removed, and there's the cool box extended to fit in behind him. The shadow on the cool box is a bit odd, so let's fix it. We'll make a new layer, and now with the brush tool we can hold Option or Alt to sample that background, and we can paint out those shadows we don't want. When we compare it with the original, it's taken out the guitarist, and not only has it rebuilt the cold box, it's extended the blanket and even added a shadow of the cold box onto the rocks behind. If you've enjoyed the tutorial, please subscribe to this channel.